Hey Alex, this is Mike Fortner. Just looking over your drawing of the the car tree impact. I've got a question for you here, and this is well, I'll answer it. This isn't no points on or off for this. But if you had a car or a vehicle of the same mass, same size, everything, traveling at the same speed that hit the tree and still did knock the tree over. Let's back up from this. So it still hits the tree, but rather than the hood being crippled on the car, let's say it's made stoutly enough, it has enough structural support in the car that when the tree is hit, the car doesn't collapse. Would that change necessarily the impact force of the car on the tree? I'm going to answer you. Don't worry about it, because what we're talking about here is the very initial instant that the vehicle strikes the tree. At that point, there are two forces. The force one and force two. A force of the car on the tree and force of the tree on the car. That's your reaction pair. And at that very moment, they're exactly the same. Now, if there's enough force supplied that could overcome the structural integrity of the car, then the car is going to look like the red car in the picture. If the other way is so, then the tree will likely fail. But this initial action-reaction pair, that's just as soon as the impact occurs. That's what we're really talking about here. The subsequent impact or subsequent damage to the car or the tree is beyond the scope of Newton's third law, I think. So let me know what you think about that. Text me or email me. I don't care. Have a good evening.